ready to ditch boring presentations and create videos that actually grab attention. First up, HeyGen. Check out these realistic avatars. Find the one that fits your style. Click Create Video and select your chosen avatar. Now, type in your script. You can customize the voice, tone, and even add pauses to make it sound super natural. Play around with the different voice options. Hit preview to see your avatar in action. Tweak anything that feels off until you're happy with the flow. Let's switch gears to D-Id. Start by selecting Create Video. D-Id lets you upload your own photo, create a custom talking head from your own image. Just like HeyGen, copy and paste your script into the text box. D-Id has tons of voice options. Pick one and adjust the settings to match the delivery you want. Check the preview. D-Id focuses on face realism, so make sure the lip sync is convincing. Finalize and generate the video. Both are awesome, but HeyGen shines with avatar variety, and D-Id is fantastic for making personalized talking heads from your own images. Which one is best for you depends on your project and what you need.